is our new model for fitting hyperbaric chamber, and we made the color in black color. In this video, we are going to show you our 1.5 atmosphere pressure for this chamber. And now we can see the panel. You can see there is the air pressure in 1.5 atmosphere, and the real-time pressure reaches 1.5 atmosphere. Our normal air pressure is 188 already. 100 kPa equal to 188. So 188 add more 50 kPa, that is 1.588. And you can see the pressure changes. And that's all information for our 1.5 ATA chamber. If you have more questions, welcome to contact us.